Hi, in front of me is Listo SP50 and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose System, Languages, Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. After that, go into Theme and tap on Sorcerer Misclick and tap on Show More to see all available ones. When you're done, you can click on one of the chosen ones. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap Apply. You can do the same by tapping on one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!